You put the ass in bass. We've got a stage down here, not a lot of homemade instruments. I thought we could throw something together. We went down to the antique shop. They were giving away a bucket. It's got a bunch of holes in it, so it's not really useful for much. We're gonna try and turn it into an upright bass, kind of like a wash tub bass. And I was also thinking, what if it kind of hangs and it's a lamp when it's not being used as a bass?
Better lamp than a bass, I bet. It's a two-fer. Basically what it is it's a bucket on the floor.
All you do is cut a slot, one side, so you can stick it on.
And it's a string.
Okay, let's tie this up.
We don't have a bass string kicking around, so we decided to use clothesline string.
Like that.
And now we're making a bass out of that.
Oh, you're playing all the chords.
I don't think it sounds great, but Kevin was the one playing. He's tone deaf. It's like Les Claypool. It doubles as a lamp as well. Okay, and how about in lamp mode?
Did I ever mention to you that I don't like the way that you have to make everything two things?
No, you didn't.
I'm gonna come clean right now. This is a bass.
You need somewhere to put it. You don't want to be tripping over it.
We're gonna have to wire this now and then.
No. And check it out, LED magnet lights. If it was on the stage, you could hang it above the drummer.
No, but I mean, people are gonna be clamoring to play this thing.
So it kind of tucks out of the way. Awesome. If you're ever in the mood for playing a one-string, poorly sounding wash tub bass, then it's there for you.
Whoa.
Probably should have cleaned that bucket out.
What's in it?
Nothing anymore. It's all in your hair.